My name is Jose Madrigal Rivera. I am student Sena. Today, today I am going to present Piscilago, a tourist and recreational park located in Melgar, Tolima. Slay, this presentation is about Piscilago, a tourist park in Melgar, Colombia. It a place to enjoy nature, have fun, and share with family. Piscilago is located in Melgar, Tolima, Colombia. It is one of the most popular tourist spots in the country. Many people visit this place to recreate and enjoy their free time. Climate: warm tropical climate ideal for recreation. Popular destination near four cities. It offers swimming pool for children and adults. Enjoy a natural lake with fish. It also includes also bird areas and green zones. This place transmits feelings of happiness and fun. It is a relaxed place with contact with nature. In my opinion, Silago is an excellent place to share with family and enjoy nature. Thank you very much for the invitation.